Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to Vision classes. So it's classes for IGCSE, GCSE and AS and A Level student around the globe. So today we have to discuss one of the interesting question from the Pure Math 3 May June 2024. So before we jump on to our question answer discussion, our regular batches classes are going on. Suppose if you want to continue with us for classes one-to-one discussion and so on and so forth, I have left the contact in the description box. That's it. So here we'll jump on to the question number 8. It says that express 3 cos of 2x of sine 2x in the form of r cos of 2x plus alpha, where r is greater than 0 and alpha from 0 to pi by, or alpha is between 0 to pi by 2. Give exact value of r and alpha. So we have to find out r and alpha, and then in combination with this trigonometry question we have a integration question as well. We have to find out integration. Okay, so let's start with the A part. Before you jump ahead, just subscribe to our channel. That's it. So here express firstly 3 cos of 2x minus root of 3 sine of 2x is equal to r cos of 2x plus alpha. Fine. So expand this one, r cos of 2x cos of alpha minus r sine of 2x and sine of x. If you compare with left hand side and right hand side, here we have a cos of 2x, here also we have a cos of 2x, sine of 2x, here also sine of 2x. So we will get r cos of alpha is equal to 3, r sine of alpha is equal to root of 3. Fine. You have to take sine upon cos ratio. So r sine of alpha upon r cos of alpha is equal to root 3 upon 3. So this get cancelled out, and here alpha is equal to tan inverse of just 1 upon root 3, and we will get alpha is equal to pi by 6. We will get straight away exact answer. Then to calculate the r value, you can take the square on both sides. Fine. So r square cos square alpha plus r square sin square alpha is equal to 3 square plus root of 3 bracket square. Fine. And here r square you can take out common, cos square alpha plus sin square alpha is equal to 9 plus 3. So cos square plus sin square is just a 1. So r is equal to square root of 9 plus 3 is 12. Fine. And that's the answer. This is exact value of r. So we will get the value as a root of 12 cos of 2x plus pi by 6. That's the answer we got. Fine. Then second part, hence find the exact value of integration from 0 to pi by 12, 3 upon bracket 3 cos of 2x minus root 3 sine of 2x bracket square dx. So here you have to substitute the previous value. Means we got for this part we got root of 12 cos of 2x plus pi by 6. We got this value, isn't it? And you have to integrate. So it is equal to integration from 0 to pi by 12, 3 upon root of 12 cos of 2x plus pi by 6 bracket square dx. Fine. You can simplify it as much as you can. So firstly, square root of 12 bracket square is just a 12. So you can take out 3 by 12 out. Fine. Integration from 0 to pi by 12. So 1 upon here cos square 2x plus pi by 6 dx. Now 1 upon cos square is sec square. So here you can write as a 3 by 12 integration from 0 to pi by 12 sec square 2x plus pi by 6 dx. Now integration of, here I will write the formula for you. Sec square x dx is tan of x plus, see, that's the integration. Fine. So here also use the same formula. 3 by 12, you can simplify this one as 1 by 4. So 1 by 4, here tan of 2x plus pi by 6 divided by derivative of 2x plus 6. Derivative of 2x plus 6, this part is just a 2, and from 0 to pi by 12, isn't it? So you have to solve this part. Here 1 upon h tan of, if you substitute here this, so it will be basically pi by 6 plus pi by 6, means it's a just a pi by 3, fine, minus tan of just a pi by 6 part we will get. Here if you simplify this one, 1 upon 8, what's the tan of pi by 3 value? You can check it in your calculator. It's a root 3, fine, minus 1 upon root 3, okay. And if you simplify here, just multiplying root 3 over root 3, it would be here 1 upon 8, root 3 is 3 minus 1 upon root 3, fine, and here 1 upon h times 2 over root 3, which is just a 4. So answer is 1 upon 4 root 3. That's it. This is how you have to write the step-by-step answer. And if you write this step-by-step answer, this is 5-mark question, you can see here. And if you write these steps, then and then you will get out marks. I hope you understood this complete answer. And if you like this video, share to your friends as well, and enjoy the math. Thank you.